Hi. Looks like a main shaft. Or a pan shove.
It's missing little letters in there.
Yeah.
Pan show?
60 to 65 pan shovel.
Is that show or shove? Alright, well we know it's import because it's screaming. It's an eagle iron part. So this one is that's got to be a 6, but it looks like a 5.
It does look like a 5.
They didn't make a 55 shaft. They need a 65 shaft, so guess what it fits?
65?
You're pretty smart.
Ooh.
Definitely some good stuff there. So it looks like they busted it open to look at it, and they said, "Oh shit, it's the wrong one." They taped it back up again. So all your 80s Taiwan crap came with this tool dip shit all over it.
What is that?
That plastic dip there, like on doing tools.
Oh, that's
all
terrible.
All your crap came with this stuff in there. It's Taiwan. Yeah. As you can see, it's new underneath. So.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever had something I've taken this off that had rust underneath it though, so I think that's a plus.
That's a plus.
Pretty much everything else I have seen rust under when you pull it out, but this does seal it up pretty good. So we have to measure the overall length to see if it's a 65 or not. I don't remember the lengths of them, but I'm thinking 13.5, but I don't know what the hell 13.5 is. So this one's only 12, so that's pretty short. So it's supposed to be 65. I don't know if it is or isn't. I'd have to go look up the links in the back catalog to see what they are. But it is new. It is Taiwan. The only really problem I have with these things is pretty much is where the clutch is in the bike. They kind of go in and out, and if it gets too far, it rubs on the inner primary.
No.
Short of that, I don't really have much problem with these things. You know, sometimes I've had the splines made wrong, but it's pretty rare. Usually they work pretty good. They are what they are. He put 1960 through 65.
Yeah.
They didn't. Not a good gear range. Don't know what they're doing.